The Houston Fire Department, or HFD, plays a major role in responding to various types of emergencies, including motor vehicle collisions. Approximately 30 to 40,000 collisions occur in Houston every year, resulting in many injuries and deaths. These collisions also put a large strain on HFD's time and resources. Our project seeks to help HFD address motor vehicle collisions by 1. Demonstrating the impact of motor vehicle collisions on the Houston Fire Department, 2. Creating an interactive map to visualize collision hotspots based on a metric for collision severity, and 3. Identifying contributing factors and potential solutions in reducing motor vehicle collisions. Through our work, we hope to help the City of Houston achieve its Vision Zero action plan to end traffic deaths and serious injuries by 2030 and reduce strain on HFD resources. Come visit our booth. We are happy to share more about our work and findings.